everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages, easy guide. So first to begin, you need to make sure you're logged in onto the right account. So I'm currently logged in already in here and I have here a conversation that I want to go ahead and hide without deleting this. So what we need to do, we need to switch our account to a professional account. So I currently have a personal account, and to switch this we'll click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part, click onto the three horizontal lines in here and scroll down until you find it in here the account type and tools. So once you're already in here, let's switch this to professional account. So let's click onto continue or just following the prompts, choose what best describes you, click onto that and click onto OK to switch this. So we'll just need to wait for this one to be done. And let's just click onto next for that and click on not now. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto that or skip onto that part right after. Let's head back here onto the messages. So we just switched our account to professional account. We could see that one here onto the middle part. Click onto this messenger icon and then right after, if you just swipe it just like that, there is a three dots already. So notice the difference with the settings earlier. So earlier this has just limited option, so there is actually an icon here, this one onto the middle with an arrow. If you click onto that, as you can see, the message has been hidden, so we cannot see that one, but we did not delete that. We could still see that message here on general. So that is one way to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages, easy guide. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.